To make a phone call through the Paperstac platform, you'll want to first start by clicking on the words labeled phone call. Being that it is your first time using the system, you'll want to enter in your number to receive a one-time verification code sent to your phone. Entering in this verification code will grant you access to the phone call feature on the platform. If your counterparty hasn't verified their phone number, you click on the button Send Phone Number Request. Once you do this, your counterparty will get a notification to enter in their phone number and verification code. Once they verify their phone number, you can then click the button labeled Start Phone Call to initiate a conversation between you and your counterparty. The system will first call you to get your consent to use the phone call feature, and then the system will call your counterparty. If they don't answer, you will be able to leave them a message. If, however, they do answer, it is just like a regular phone call. We will transcribe the phone call and record it and provide it on the timeline. This is a way to establish a legal trail if ever needed. It is also a way to share the details of the conversation with one of your team members.